Now, a question that we're probably all thinking with all the damage that we've been seeing. There are reporters from across the state. Will insurance cover it if a tree crunches your house or your truck?
All right, right now, Fox 31 digital data reporter DJ Summers has new info about why Coloradans need to get into their homeowner insurance policies and the details before the next storm like this hits. DJ?
Colorado is one of the windiest states in the country, Matt, so you've got to expect damage at some point. Colorado is at the top 10 of U.S. states in at least 2 wind measurements, according to Global Wind Atlas. Here we are at the 9th highest in the country for wind speed. Wyoming ranks first in the continental U.S. No surprises for anybody who spends any time driving through there. When we move to a different metric, we are even higher on the list. Here's Colorado's wind power density. That's how much wind power there is in a given area for a turbine to convert to energy. Colorado has the 6th highest in the nation. It's mostly the Great Plains states that join it in both counts. Wyoming, the Dakotas, Nebraska, Kansas. When you get to the Rocky Mountains or to the Appalachians in the east, those wind measurements drop.
All right, we know it's windy, DJ. All that said, let's get back to the insurance question now. Why is it so important that you need to go check your homeowner's policy in the fine print right now?
Because wind damage is covered here, Matt, but only as part of the general homeowner's insurance contract. Check it out. These are states in yellow. Those are the ones that require wind coverage in addition to homeowners assurance. You can see the common thread. They're hurricane states. They need it. But it does make wind coverage something to pay closer attention to here in Colorado, especially if you live east of the Rockies like most of us here do. We're a high wind state where you might not know for sure what your coverage is till you dig down deep in your contract. I've got nationwide looks at all these wind metrics in my story at KDVR.com. Check them out. DJ Summers, Fox 31.